Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Techgenics Hub. So there's a good news for you all because Cognizant of Campus Drive 2021 is finally going to happen, and let us see that how we can apply for the drive. So guys, as we know that Cognizant is a leading provider of information technology and every one of us wants to be a part of Cognizant. So they have released their notification for the position trainee. So if you are a fresher or experienced with education degree in B.Tech, B.Sc or graduate in CSC, EC, IC, Telecom, any of the field, then yes, you can definitely apply. So they have released a notification for the Hyderabad area, and salary as per the industry standards it will be given to you. So basically the job is for science or engineering graduates, and your roles and responsibility will be grooming and sizing, working with the recommended team. Now, what are the must-have skills? If you are good in Spring Boot or you have knowledge in web services, core Java, also additionally REST web services, ANSI SQL, JDBC, then definitely you can apply for the drive. Now the question is how to apply. So guys, if you are eligible and interested to apply for this drive, then you can go to the online registration site of Cognizant and then you can apply for the job. Also, for your easier way, we have attached all the links in our description box. You can go below and check the description box, and then you can get the link and easily apply from our link. So guys, hope you liked our video, and for more videos please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.